Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Ilakla binti Muhammad Basari and my matrix number in 197820 and my group members is Muhammad Zuraikal and also Nur Afrina. So we are from group 5 and we will talk about the chemistry and applications of thorium and uranium. And this slide is divided into four sections, which is the first section is about the chemistry of thorium, and then following with the applications of thorium, and then the chemistry of uranium, and also following with the applications of uranium. And I will talk about the chemistry of thorium, and Afrina will talk about the applications of thorium and also the chemistry of uranium. And then lastly, Zuhaika will talk about the application of uranium. So let's start with the first section, which is the chemistry of thorium. Okay, thorium is the weakly radioactive metallic chemicals element with the symbol Th, and it also have atomic number 90. And thorium have 4 valence electrons, and the electron configurations of thorium is radium 62 7s2, and it is also the electropositive actinides, and it is located in the F block in the periodic table. So pure thorium is a savory white metal which is stable and retains its luster for several months. So the image here shows the savory white metal of thorium. And then the ground state electron configurations of thorium ions are as follows. So we have here 4 ions stated here with the electron configurations. And based on the electronic configurations of thorium ions here, we can see that the most important and stable oxidation state of thorium is +4. It's because since thorium have 4 valence electron, so it's easy to it to lose 4 valence electron, and the oxidation state that's stable is +4. Then when thorium is contaminated with oxide, and it will become thorium dioxide here, and it slowly tarnish in air and becoming gray and finally black. Then thorium is slowly attacked by water, but it does not dissolve readily in most common acid except hydrochloric acid. If thorium is react with hydrochloric acid, it will form THOC and H here. Then thorium is a source of nuclear power. As I said before, thorium is weakly radioactive metallic chemical element which is suitable for it to be a source of nuclear power. It is same with uranium. So I will pass the presentation to Afrina. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Afrina. My metric number is 198894. I will continue the presentation with the application of thorium. So first, thorium are used as a nuclear reactor fuel, as thorium are more abundant than uranium, and 1 ton of mined thorium can produce as much as energy as 200 tons of uranium. So waste from a thorium reactor is expected to lose its dangerous radioactivity only after about 4 to 500 years. Next are Wellsbeck gas mantle. So thorium dioxide are used in this mantle, and it has very high melting point to ensure it stays solid, glowing with an intense bright white light. Next are in aerospace industry. Thorium magnesium alloy are used in aerospace industry for aircraft engine because these alloy are lightweight and have excellent strength and creep resistant at high temperature. Next, thorium are also used in heat resistant ceramic. Next, I will continue the presentation with the chemistry of uranium. So uranium is an actinide. It has silvery white color and its electrode configuration are radium 5F36D17S2. It is highly reactive metal and react with almost of all the nonmetallic elements and many of their compounds. It also combined with nonmetal such as oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, fluorine, phosphorus, and bromine. It dissolves in acid but not in alkali. Uranium, solid uranium, react with three molecules of fluorine gas can produce uranium hexafluoride, which are in gas state. And this element has access to oxidation state from uranium-3 to uranium-5, but the common one are uranium-4 and uranium-5. Okay. When finely divided, it can react with air and become coated with dark layer of uranium oxide, which are UO2 and U3O8, and it doesn't form a preservating oxide coating. The organometallic chemistry of uranium is well developed and shows similarity to that of the lanthanide, except that uranium occurs in a number of oxidation states. As I mentioned before, it has oxidation state of uranium-3 to uranium-5 and are larger than the typical lanthanide ion. So that's all for me. I will pass the presentation to Ilya.
Okay, next I would like to present about the application of uranium. Firstly, uranium can be used as a nuclear fuel, which is a material that used in nuclear reactor to produce energy. Nuclear fuel actually made from uranium through several process from its raw state to the usable nuclear fuel. Next, uranium can be used as a colorant. Glass that contain uranium will show the color yellow to green color in a dark condition. Next, uranium can be used in a uranium lead dating. This is actually is a radiometric dating method. Okay, this method actually involve a serious decay of uranium to lead, so we can estimate the age of the rock. And lastly, nuclear weapon. Uranium can be used as nuclear weapon through a nuclear fission reaction. Okay, that's all about. Thank you.